Hello, this is a quick demonstration for how to download and use the AFTW practice area overlays with ForeFlight. This demonstration is on an iPad, but it should be very similar on an iPhone. I'm going to go ahead and start with the Safari browser at AFTW.org. This is the practice areas page where you found this video. Please take the time to read all of the text we have on this page. It is a lot of important information. We're going to start with option 1, which is all practice areas in one overlay. Tap there in the middle where it says direct link and then download. Now on Safari, the trick is to tap on that little circle with the down arrow that's in the top right. And you'll see that opens up your downloads. Tap there on the file name. Yours may have a different version number, that's fine. And then you should see all this text. Don't worry about this. It's simply the code for the KML file that makes the overlay. All you need to do is tap that up arrow in the top right. And that's the Send To button. Scroll over to More, the very last option there with 3 dots. And then scroll down to Copy to ForeFlight. Tap on that. It should open ForeFlight. And tell it to put it in your custom content by tapping there. And then tap on Custom Map Layers. And there's your message letting you know it was imported successfully. Now to see the file, go to your layers in the very top left of the screen, tap on layers, and then scroll all the way down and you see the AFTW file there at the bottom. Tap on that and it loads the overlay. It's that simple. Now if you have trouble getting it to do that, one of the options is to go back to Safari. And different people have had a challenge with this, so we made an alternate link. So next to where it says the direct link, there's also a Google Drive link. It's the same file, but instead of being hosted on our website server, it's hosted on Google Drive. So if it didn't work as advertised, go ahead and try the Google Drive link and see if you can open the file and import it to ForeFlight from there. If that still doesn't work, to get you to the point that you can copy to ForeFlight, try downloading the file on your desktop computer and then email it to yourself as an attachment. And then on your iPhone or your iPad that you want to import to, go to your email and tap on the attachment, and hopefully that gives you the option to send it to ForeFlight. Also want to show you what it looks like on the Chrome browser. If you prefer Chrome, go ahead and tap on that. Go to the same web page here and go down. This time we're going to do option 2, just to download a different file. We're going to do the direct link for the Northwest practice area. And you notice in Chrome, down at the bottom it says download. When you tap on that, it changes to open in. And that will take you through a similar process where you scroll over to More, scroll down to Copy to ForeFlight, and Custom Content, Custom Map Layers, just like before. And it says it was imported successfully. Let's go get a couple more. So back to either Chrome or Safari, doesn't matter. Close the windows that were open. Let's go ahead and get the Southwest practice area using the direct link. All of the same steps. Copy to ForeFlight. And just to go to my layers real quick and scroll down, you can see we're bringing in multiple files. So let's go ahead and tap where it says AFTW, and this one's version 9, to turn that off, and then go back to layers, and we're going to turn on just the Northwest. So now you can see that only the Northwest area overlay is loaded. ForeFlight now gives the ability to display multiple overlays at one time. So now I'm going to tap on Southwest, and you can see that we've got the Southwest and the Northwest both displayed at the same time. Now to delete an overlay, if you want to get rid of one for some reason, or if there's an update, you want to get rid of the old one, in the bottom right, go to More, and then go to Custom Content on the left side, and then Custom Map Layers. And here's where you can see all the files you've downloaded. Simply swipe to the left and tap Delete, and that is how you can delete the files when you don't need them anymore, when you get a new update. Now you go back to Map, and you'll see they're gone. And that is how to download and use the overlays with ForeFlight. Please help spread the word. The more pilots who are using these standardized reporting points and procedures, the better. And even when you hear people on frequency, if they're acting a little lost, you might direct them to aftw.org and the practice areas page so they can find this information themselves. If you need any help, if this didn't cover your situation, please go back to the AFTW website, and at the very top on the blue bar it says Contact Us. You're welcome to send us an email. One of our volunteers will get back to you and help you with the import, or if you find an error with any of the files, maybe a reporting point that you believe is in the wrong place, please let us know. We appreciate the help, and safe flying. We'll see you around.